Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap South Daytona local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move takes place across a distance of at least 50 miles. And this migration may take place both inside and outside of a state. A move inside the state is an intrastate relocation, while we refer to a relocation beyond the state as interstate. We can help you with a smooth long distance relocation. You don't have to be concerned about the cost since we are entirely fair. Our local move fees are incredibly affordable. We charge $30 to $40 per hour for our local relocation services. These characteristics distinguish us from other businesses in the region. You simply need to ask our past clients for verification of our services. Our movers are qualified experts who have insurance coverage. We make sure the transition is quick and painless, and we even plan out a relocation strategy for our customers. Our top-of-the-line customer service is appreciated by all of our clients, mainly since we prioritize them and make them feel at ease. If you need help with any part of the moving process, email us, and let's be your local mover. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our South Daytona moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.